Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I'm vlogging today. It's very exciting. I'm getting my brow lamination done today. If you remember from last vlog, last week, I wanted to get it done then, but they weren't doing it yet. So they're starting it on the 30th today. So I think I'm like the first appointment over at the Ulta that's near me. So that's very cool. This is my first time doing brow lamination or really anything to my brows. So I have my makeup on, except for my brows, as you can see. And normally I would feel so weird leaving my house without brows on, but like now I have bangs and it covers my entire forehead, so you can't really tell that I don't have my brows on. You probably can, but you know. Today I'm also getting in the mail something from a brand called Seed. I have been looking online and I've seen people talk about Seed before because I recently got the, let me get them. I recently picked up the Ritual vitamins, like multivitamins, like everyday kind of vitamins. And these are like the essential ones. I have been taking vitamins for a long time. This is not sponsored, number one. But I mean, I would love to be sponsored by Ritual. That'd be so cool. But yeah, I did pick these up on my own and I got them from Amazon. There's a lot of things that I have come to realize in the past couple of months, especially like my views on things. I've really started to like come into my beliefs and I feel kind of weird about it because I'm 28 years old and I feel like most other people are like fully into their beliefs and stuff like that now, and like I don't know, my eyes have been opened to a few things, you know, especially with everything that has been going on recently with like Roe v. Wade and all that. So anyways, I wanted to try these. I don't know why my change in beliefs have to do with vitamins, but still, I just wanted to try these out because there are some that I've been taking that I'm not entirely sure do anything for me. I don't know, you know how the whole like propaganda marketing over vitamins and stuff, but anyways, let's not talk about that. Anyways, right now I'm gonna do a little thing. I'm gonna do a few things on the computer. Oh, also, a few things that I wanted to show you. The audio is going to be really bad now because I turned you around, so I'm sorry, but our new vase did come in the mail from Amazon and it looks really nice. I think that looks so much better than that like head vase. And then I did get my matches right there. It just looks so freaking cute. Like the whole dining room, the whole dining table just looks adorable now. And I also did pick up some ottomans for the couch. I don't have them yet. We're just using like some makeshift ones that Raph has in his man cave, but the ones that I got are from the same place that we got the couch from, and they like match the couch a lot better. But I really wanted to get ottomans. The couch doesn't have anything right here, so it's just like a big open space. And there's no other leg room except for this part right here, this long part. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and just get 2 ottomans and we'll see how this works and see if it makes the couch more comfy. And then I just scooted the coffee table a little forward. Don't mind Winston and Kiva's toys. But yeah, I think the ottoman will just make everything look so much cleaner and nicer. Okay, I'm off to my appointment. I actually totally forgot what time it was. And it's like 9:45 and my mom called me and she was like, hey, are you at your appointment? And I was like, what? And then I realized what time it was. So I've got on this Totem cream knit. I've got on my Aritzia black pants. I'll have everything linked, and I have a like to know it page now. Oh my god, I got approved for like to know it, and I'll have everything linked there as well. And then I have on my Celine sneakers, and yeah, that's the fit today. Very cash, very simple. It's gonna be very humid outside, so I hope I don't hate myself. I'm on my way to my appointment, and yeah, it is really nice outside today. It is not like too hot or anything like obscenely hot anymore outside. I'm sure it will be. I mean, today I'm sure is just like a one-off day where it actually feels nice, but it feels like fall. It is like 78 degrees outside, and it is still humid, but it's not anywhere like it has been. So it's like, I'm happy about it. I know that we still have a little bit before we actually get into like actual fall, but I can manifest and I can dream. Always gets me how people, like, of course I'm doing this today because I had an appointment, but you know, there were a lot of people just waiting outside for the store to open. Like, that's really cool.
Just gonna clean any makeup off and any oil from the skin just to get it prepared for laminating.
Okay.
That's what makes it kind of break the hair bonds down a little bit. Okay. Do more than that because it'll just fill it in and kind of make it a little bit thicker.
Am I ready for the ball? Now we're on to the second phase. I thought this was it, and she was like, no, I think there's like, what, 2 more steps?
Yep.
Wow.
2 steps. And then you'll be good to go. And then I just apply it the same way as the first one.
What's this one doing?
This one is basically setting the hair in place. And we just keep checking that.
Oh my gosh, look. It looks so good. I'll show you more out in the sun, but it looks so good. All right, you guys, I'm back home. Here's what they look like. I got my bangs retrimmed again as well, just because they were getting a little long. So she went ahead and just trimmed them up a little for me, and they look so good. But here are what my brows look like. I've never had any kind of like lamination done before, so it looks really, really nice. And I did put like a little bit of brow gel in them. She said you can do that just to kind of keep the shape, but I like them a lot. What do you think? I got my seed delivery in the mail. I thought I would open it with you. Again, not sponsored by Ritual or Seed, but it would be, you know, nice to work with them if I end up liking the product, so. Look how cute. I've got the actual probiotics here and then like a little travel thingy. I don't think that you get one of these containers every time, but this is for, of course, travel. And then I think there's just like refillable packs that you put in here. And here's what they look like. They're just green. Green little boy. Right there. And then I think you're supposed to only take 1 for like the first 3 days. And then after that, you can take 2. I'm gonna read this really quick. And then I need to take my ritual for the day. And I'll take this too. I hope it doesn't give me issues. I don't know, I'm scared. When I say issues, I mean like, I haven't really eaten much. Maybe I'll take it after I eat, but I think probiotics you're supposed to take before you eat. I think that's like the whole point of a probiotic, that it's supposed to be working before you eat something. Oh yeah, on an empty stomach. Great. I'm want to wait and take the probiotics tomorrow. I took my regular vitamins, but for the probiotics, I'm afraid, because it's like my first day doing it, I'm afraid it's gonna make my tummy hurt. So me and my parents, or me and my husband and my parents are going to lunch here in a minute. So and I know you should take them on an empty stomach, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to start the probiotics. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I will keep on vlogging whenever we get to the restaurant. So I changed outfits to go to lunch with my parents, and I finally am wearing my Ralph Lauren pants, you guys. I got these back from the tailors last week, and I just haven't been able to wear them, so I'm finally wearing them out today. I'm so excited. And then I just have on this like little cropped t-shirt from Cuts and my Celine sneakers still. And I'm so excited that I can finally wear these pants. Should I wear a belt? I don't know. They're very tight. Like these were a size 6, and I think I accidentally told the girl, because you know, she didn't really say like what size do you want them to be, or because I would have said a size 4. She just kind of refitted them to me and like pinned them in the back. So I think these are probably like a size 2 or something, and they're a little small now, but it's fine. And they got hemmed, so they're not like dragging the floor anymore. Like, I'm so excited and happy about it. It just looks so nice now. We're back home now, and the Chinese food was very, very good. I liked it a lot. Raph was able to speak some Mandarin to a few of the employees, and they loved it so much. And Raph loves it too. He loves being able to speak any other language, like Japanese, Mandarin, Italian, obviously, to anybody that he can. So that was really fun to see. I actually got some new pants from Aritzia in the mail, so I wanted to show you those. It's gonna be very dark because we're gonna get some rain here in a minute, and I don't have my light on in my office, so let me turn it on. I wore my Ralph Lauren pants, as you know, for the first time today, and they don't have any pockets, but these ones do. Look, these ones are from Aritzia. They're called the Effortless pants. It's very hard to show these because they're really dark and there's like no light. There we go. And they're really, really nice. I got a size 4. They only had one size 4 left when I bought them, so I'm so happy I was able to get them. They are like these kind of, not chestnut, but they're like a light, I guess light chestnut brown. They're really, really nice, and they got pleats. I like these a lot. I probably wouldn't wear it with like a black top. I might wear it with like a white top or something, but I just put them on when I got home because I got them, and I really like them. They're really nice. You guys were being really bad, weren't you? I mean, y'all were just very excited. My parents came over back to the apartment for a little bit. Yes, you did. Right? They did, and they got so excited. That always happens when my parents come over, so they like run around and try to murder each other to show off. And now they're both tired. Ain't that right? My Raph is in there. My Raph. Raph is in here polishing his armor.
Hi. Yeah, I've actually polished the front, so the front looks good.
If you don't know, if you are just wondering why the hell is your husband polishing armor, my husband also has a YouTube channel. He is a YouTuber, like it's his actual job to do that, and he has like a history channel, and he does like armor and weapons and stuff. I'll have his channel linked if you care and want to see that. It's very cool. But yes, that is why he has armor. So it looks like it's gonna rain. So I think right now what we're gonna do is try to go to the dump because I need to take some trash out. And I still have not been able to like actually sit at the table today and like do any kind of computer work because I've just been like going and going and going. So right now I think I'm just gonna like chill for a minute. But yeah, I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. Quick little update, I don't know why I did this. Quick little update on the probiotics. I did go ahead and take one. I know you're technically supposed to not eat them, but you're supposed to take them without any kind of food. Now I was kind of scared to do that because I didn't know if it was gonna make my tummy hurt, but I did go ahead and take one about an hour ago, and I wasn't on an empty stomach, but I wasn't on a full stomach. Like I'm starting to get hungry again, so it wasn't like totally empty, but I think it's fine because it did not make my tummy hurt. I just took one. I think I'm fine. So tomorrow I'll take it in the morning along with my regular vitamins and just take them like I'm supposed to. I'm very happy it didn't make my tummy hurt. So good update. But now me and Raph are going to Publix just to kind of hang out and walk around. I want to see, maybe I'll get some salads because I need to eat more salads and stop eating like carbs and stuff. I say that, and I'm gonna get jalapeno poppers from Papa John's tonight because I'm very excited about it. But I have had salad every day. Well, not the weekend, but on the weekday, I've had it from like Tuesday until Friday. So I have had salad. Anyways, we're gonna head that way. Good evening, guys. I feel like the last 2 vlogs have ended like this, with me being in bed, ending off the vlog. But yeah, I am ending the vlog. I'm using a couple, I just washed my face for the night, and I'm using a couple of my Florence Beauty, or what's it called? Florence by Mills eye patches. These are the new ones, the green ones. They're like little clouds. They're super cute. I like them a lot. I have 1 baby and 2 babies right down there, and we're already getting ready to go to sleep. And yeah, I just thought that I would end this here. Thank you so much for watching that video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the good yawns. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!